llamas and alpacas may look similar, but their behaviors couldn't be more different. While llamas are notorious for their spitting, alpacas rarely engage in this messy habit. What drives this stark contrast? The answer lies in their evolutionary history and social structures. Let's unravel the science behind why llamas spit and alpacas don't. Llamas and alpacas share a common ancestor, but their paths diverged thousands of years ago. Llamas were domesticated as pack animals, requiring a tough, assertive demeanor. Alpacas, bred for their luxurious fleece, evolved to be more docile. This fundamental difference in purpose shaped their behaviors, including their propensity to spit. Spitting is a defensive mechanism, a way for llamas to establish dominance or ward off threats. Their saliva is a mix of stomach contents and mucus, unpleasant but effective. Alpacas, on the other hand, prefer to avoid conflict. Their social structures are less hierarchical, reducing the need for such aggressive displays. In llama herds, dominance is constantly contested. Spitting is a quick way to assert authority or settle disputes. Alpaca herds, however, are more cooperative. They rely on subtle body language and vocalizations to communicate, avoiding the need for physical confrontations. Alpacas are the laid-back cousins of llamas. Their calm demeanor is a result of selective breeding for fleece quality, not strength or aggression. This makes them more predictable and easier to handle, a trait highly valued by their human caretakers. Llamas don't just spit at each other, humans can be targets too. Whether it's a perceived threat or a demand for food, llamas aren't shy about expressing their displeasure. Understanding their triggers can help avoid an unexpected shower of llama saliva. Alpacas, in contrast, are far less likely to spit at humans. Their gentle nature makes them popular in therapy programs and petting zoos. When they do spit, it's usually a last resort, reserved for extreme stress or provocation. In llama herds, spitting is a tool for maintaining order. Higher-ranking llamas spit to keep lower-ranking members in line. Alpacas, with their flatter social structures, lack this rigid hierarchy, reducing the frequency of spitting incidents. Alpacas' reluctance to spit isn't just about temperament, it's also practical. Their dense fleece makes spitting less effective, as the moisture gets trapped in their wool. This may have further discouraged the behavior over generations. Llamas have long been used as guard animals for livestock. Their aggressive tendencies make them effective at warding off predators like coyotes. Alpacas, while sometimes used in this role, are less reliable due to their milder nature. Both llamas and alpacas may spit when stressed, but their thresholds differ. Llamas spit at the slightest provocation, while alpacas endure much more before resorting to this behavior. This reflects their differing evolutionary pressures and roles in human society. Researchers have observed mixed herds of llamas and alpacas to study their interactions. Llamas often dominate, but alpacas hold their own through avoidance rather than confrontation. These studies highlight the fascinating dynamics between these two closely related species. Human interaction has further shaped these behaviors. Llamas, used to working with humans, may spit to communicate their needs. Alpacas, bred for fleece, have been selected for traits that make them easier to handle, including their non-spitting nature. As our understanding of these animals grows, so does our ability to manage their behaviors. Selective breeding and better husbandry practices may further reduce spitting in llamas, while preserving the alpaca's naturally calm demeanor. From the spit-happy llama to the serene alpaca, these animals showcase the diversity of evolutionary adaptation. Their behaviors, shaped by history, environment, and human influence, offer a window into the complex world of animal social structures. Next time you see a llama, watch out, but feel free to relax around an alpaca.